Hey guys, this is Onye again, and you're welcome back to I Love Igbo channel. So if you want to tell someone to support her in Igbo language, that support her or support him, you can simply say Kwado ya, because that ya could be used for a he or a she or it, depending on the context. Do you understand? No distinction. So you can use ya for he or she. So now when you say Kwado ya, so support her. Kwado ya ka ọ gawa. Support her to go. You understand? Support her so that she will go, or support her so that he will go. So kwado ya. Kwadom, support me. Kwadonum bikon. Kwadonum. Please support me. Please support me now. Kwadonum. So support me, kwadom, by subscribing to this channel and liking this video, okay? See ya. Bye.